Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Subway Surfers with a controller. First, ensure your Bluetooth controller is fully charged, and then pair it with your mobile device. Once successfully connected, open the Subway Surfers application. You can now use your controller's directional pad to navigate through the game's menus and select your desired options. This simple setup provides a brand new way to experience the game. Mastering the basic controls is key to a smooth run. Use your left joystick or directional pad to effortlessly move your character across the 3 lanes. To jump over incoming obstacles, simply press the button. For those low-hanging barriers, a quick downward motion on the right joystick or D-pad will make your character roll. Remember to double-tap the jump button to deploy a hoverboard for extra safety. To truly excel, focus on advanced techniques. Practice quick, precise lane changes to grab coins and dodge trains effectively. Mastering the timing of your jumps and rolls is crucial for maintaining your score multiplier and extending your run. Don't forget to strategically activate power-ups using your controller's action buttons. Chaining these moves seamlessly will lead to significantly higher scores and more impressive gameplay. Achieving high scores involves smart play. Always prioritize collecting coin magnets and jetpacks, as they offer the greatest advantage for coin accumulation. Remember to visit the in-game shop and upgrade your power-ups. This significantly enhances their duration and effectiveness. Completing daily challenges and missions also provides valuable rewards. Sometimes, it's better to dodge an obstacle than risk a crash for a single coin.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.